Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how I configure Xort and things that relate to display, Now to start Xort and DWM, I'm gonna run Xinit. Okay, so everything is a little big, right? So we want to set the resolution of Xort, okay? So we're gonna run this command, xrandr, but before we run it, we need to install it. So we're gonna do as xpps install xrandr, okay? After that, we're gonna run this command and scroll up a little. We see that the virtual one is the name of the monitor. So we're gonna run this command here, xrandr -- output the name of the monitor. For you it might be edb-1 or maybe hdmi1 maybe, and maybe db21, whatever, okay? But for me it's virtual 1, okay? And the resolution is the mode. We're gonna run full HD here. Now, alright, yeah, we get the correct resolution now, okay? So we need to add this command to our xinitrc file, right? So we're gonna vim.xinitrc and then we add that command, xrandr output virtual 1 mode full HD. Alright, so now every time you run xinit, it's gonna run this command first, alright, and then it's gonna run exec dwm. Okay, so now let's say I run Firefox. As you can see, the Firefox window is so tiny. Okay, everything is so small. I can't see anything, right? As you can see, alright. So why is that? Okay, so it's time for us to configure the DBI of your system, of your Xort, okay? And how do I configure DBI? Okay, we're gonna create a file named .xresources, okay? And in this file, you're gonna type this xft.dbi colon 130, okay? You can try different numbers, but for me, with the current laptop monitor about 14-inch, I think this is the correct DBI, okay? So xft dbi 130. For you it might be let's say 120, 125 now, but that's not done yet, okay? Now we need to install a package that's gonna load that xresources file, okay? And what is that package? Okay, let's install it now. xpps install xrdb. Alright, and after that, to apply this setting, okay, we need to run xrdb the file xresources. Okay, now let's run Firefox again, right? See if anything different. Alright, it's much bigger, right? It look suitable. I don't know how it looks on your monitor, but for me it's good, right? It's better, right? So we need to run this command, and when we run xinit, so you know what to do. Alright, let's vim.xinitrc and then xrdb home/xresources. Alright, now when we exit, we're gonna press March Shift and Q. Alright, and then we're gonna xinit again. Alright, the resolution is right? Everything is working fine. And now let's run Firefox. Alright, and the next thing I'm gonna do is to download a wallpaper, okay? So we're gonna Shift B to open Firefox. I'm gonna go to wallpaper scrap, scrap.com. Okay, let's find a wallpaper. Let's see. Okay, So let's say I have a wallpaper here. Okay, it's gonna be wallpaper.jpg. So how do we set this as our wallpaper? Okay, now we're gonna install this command. Do as xbbs install x wallpaper, and now we're gonna have this command here. Okay, x wallpaper, and it's really simple. Okay, just x wallpaper and your wallpaper file. Okay, it's gonna be wallpaper.jpg. So okay, so it cannot do it. Why is that? Okay, because we've do the wrong syntax. Okay, it need to have an option, right? So I'm gonna choose this let's see, zoom option here. Okay, so we're gonna do x wallpaper -- zoom and wallpaper.jpg. Okay, now we have the wallpaper. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now we need to add the x wallpaper command to our .xinitrc. Okay, we're gonna vim.xinitrc, and then we're gonna run x wallpaper -- zoom and home wallpaper.jpg. Okay, now we're gonna exit. Okay, and then we type xinit. All right, we have the wallpaper. Look at that.